ಅರಿಜೋನಾ ಮರುಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರಿಜಾತ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು ಅಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಲಾವಣ್ಯ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ವಿವರಣೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
This is the Parijata plant, or the Nycanthus arbortitis. This is the night blooming jasmine. It's also called Harsinger or Parijat. It's a tree compared to the other jasmines, which are like shrubs or creepers that you can grow them as. So this plant is about 6 years old now. It's been doing really well. This again is at the eastern exposure of our house. It has been in ground since we bought it on eBay. There are about like 5 leaves, like that big. It was just that big, and it's been in ground and it took off. I gave it some winter protection, and during extreme summer I used to put a little shade cloth over it to protect it from burning and becoming a victim of the heat. So water well during the first few years, because their roots don't grow very well, especially in Arizona when it gets super hot. And in winter I remember covering it up with a cloth and a few poles around it, but now it's too big to be protected, and it's close to the house, which kind of seems to help it protect during winter, the way it's kind of arranged in the garden. And there are a lot of plants that thrive under this. I have a few Grand Duke of Tuscany. I have a few chrysanthemums that are thriving under here. And there's also a loquat which is thriving under this tree. So this one has, especially in Arizona, it has a slightly different flowering cycle when compared to the ones in India. The flowering cycle here typically starts around October, when the nights are cool, and it goes on till about end of Kartik Masa, or somewhere mid-December, when it stops to flower again, when the cold really becomes a little too harsh. And then there's a little bit of flowering during spring, but that's about it. And it has a different shedding cycle. It usually sheds around May or so, May or June, compared to the other plants which actually shed during October. It's pretty much instantaneous. The leaves fall off and the new ones are back, even without much gap on you being able to see. You could always trim it so it looks prettier. We just left it like this to prevent all the small plants under it to get burnt. So this we bought on eBay. I'm sure there are a lot of local vendors now that are propagating this plant and selling it. It's definitely a must-have in your list if you enjoy fragrant, exotic jasmines. It also has medicinal purposes. I've had people who actually boil these leaves for making tea with it, and apparently provides relief from arthritis pain. I've known that people use the stems of the Parijat plant flower to make food color used for kesari or orange dye. So this is a beautiful plant, and I absolutely enjoy watching it grow and thrive here in this weather. Thank you.